may have seen many social media influencers and even some dermatologists saying things like sunscreen blocks vitamin D, natural exposure to the sun is harmless, or sunscreen is toxic for the skin. But is there any truth to these claims, or is this just another misleading trend? Let's break down the facts and end this debate once and for all. Namaskar, I'm Dr. Ipshita Johri, founder of Skinfinity Derma and your dermatologist. Today, we are addressing a controversial skincare trend. Some foreign professionals advising against sunscreen. So why are these professionals saying no to sunscreen? Some foreign dermatologists and influencers believe that sunscreen blocks vitamin D absorption, which is essential for the bones and immunity. They even say that natural sun exposure isn't harmless unless you stay out for too long. And they also say that sunscreen contains chemicals that can make your skin sensitive or irritate your skin. But here's the truth. Sunscreen is 100% necessary and it is backed by science. It is proven that UV rays cause skin damage and aging. UV rays cause premature aging, wrinkles, fine lines and pigmentation. Even on a cloudy day, UV rays penetrate into the skin, causing this damage. There is risk of skin cancer. Studies prove that excessive UV exposure increases the skin cancer risk, including melanoma. Sunscreen is the best shield to prevent this damage. The vitamin D myth. Let's burst it. Sunscreen doesn't completely block the vitamin D production because just 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure on uncovered areas like arms and legs is enough to maintain vitamin D levels. Natural sunlight isn't always safe. UV radiation is harmful even in winters and indoors with the light that penetrates to the windows. Continuous unprotected sun exposure will cause sunburn, pigmentation and loss of elasticity on the skin. So are these sunscreens really toxic? Some fear that chemical sunscreens have harmful ingredients, but there are safe options available, like a physical sunscreen, which is a mineral-based sunscreen that contains zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which are safe and effective. Chemical sunscreens with modern formulas are lightweight, non-irritating, and dermatologist approved. So what is the best practice? Choose a broad spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen based on your skin type. Final verdict. Should you stop using sunscreen? Absolutely not. Sunscreen protects against UV damage, aging and skin cancer. You can still get vitamin D without harming your skin. Using a safe dermatologist approved sunscreen will help you in a daily protection of skin. Moral of the story, don't believe every social media trend. Always go behind the science. What are your thoughts on this debate? Drop your options in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more expert skincare advices. Stay protected, stay glowing. This is your dermatologist, Dr. Ipshita, signing off. Namaskar.